Welcome to Clever Cups. Are you ready to have a fun quiz today? Guess the shapes. Let's go! Oh, it's a ball. Can you guess the shape, Clever Cups? Hurry, time is running. Oh, it's a circle. Round and smooth, no corners at all. It's a blob. What shape is this? Time is running. It's a square. It has 4 sides and 4 corners. Yummy! It's a slice of pizza. What shape is this? Hurry, Clever girl. This is a triangle. 3 corners and 3 sides. Knock knock. It's a door. What shape is this? Time is ticking. It's a rectangle. It has 4 sides, 2 long and 2 short. Oh, there is a starfish. What shape is this? Hurry up, Clever Cups. Time is ticking. Oh, there is a star. It has 5 corners. Stars shine bright in the night. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.